morning and welcome back. So today's video is going to be what I eat in a day. So if you are interested in what I'm eating today, stay tuned. Have not eaten today. I am running late. My dad is entering his motorcycle in a bike and car show, so I'm gonna meet him there for that event, and I got too caught up on my iPad doing the Procreate drawings, and now I'm late and not eating, so I'll keep you updated. I just got back from the car and bike show with my dad. I have not eaten yet. It is 12:15, so I'm gonna make my first meal of the day. I have no energy right now. I can't think straight. I'm not used to, I guess, technically fasting. I'm normally full and energized, but not today. I had my coffee, but I haven't had very much water. So I am pretty much running on empty. I could probably go lay down and take a nap right now. So without further ado, let's jump into my first meal of the day. Okay, so because I am so hungry, I want to get something in my belly really quickly. I have prepped strawberries and pineapple, so I'm just gonna make a fruit bowl with a little bit of honey on top. That way I can just get something in my stomach and avoid making bad decisions with. So I already have the strawberries prepped. I ate most of the pineapple because it's delicious. I have Royal Honey Ambrosia. This is actually local honey. My best friend and her hubby make it. So it has royal jelly, raw honey, and bee pollen in it. It is delicious. And then I'm gonna top my fruit bowl off with some coconut flakes. Fruit bowl. And there you have it, a quick little fruit bowl. This is really just to make the hunger pain go away. And I'm doing this because if I start cooking now while I'm hungry, I'm not gonna make the best choices. So I wanted something quick, easy, get in my belly right now, and this is it. And it's a perfect little snack to avoid bad decisions. it is. Meal number 1 down. I mean, I guess it wasn't really a meal, more of a snack, but delicious either way. Strawberries, pineapple, coconut, honey. Perfect. This is a Holy Grail. This mixture, also Holy Grail. I will tell you guys what's in those, what's in each of those. So right now I'm making English muffin with 2 eggs, avocado. This is spicy yogurt, spicy Greek yogurt, and this is just my little mixture that I put on top of basically everything. It's red onion, garlic, cilantro, and jalapeno, chopped very finely and mixed all together. I love it. Got my eggs on there. This is a staple in our home. So that is Greek yogurt, is the kind from Costco. Sriracha, cumin, a little bit of brown sugar, pepper, and a little bit of chili powder, and let's see, what else did I put in there? I can't remember. But I basically just did it to taste how I like it, what I think spicy mayo should taste like. But this is a very healthy version of it. It's just the plain Greek yogurt. If you guys are interested, comment below and I can do an entire video on ways to make different things with plain Greek yogurt. If you want, let me know. This is delicious. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Love it. Last but not least, this is my little special concoction that I make a lot. I put this on a lot of stuff: tacos, eggs, salads, chicken. I mean, you name it, it can go on there. It is a mixture, like I said, of cilantro, red onion, garlic, and jalapeno, and I just chop them up super fine and mix them all together. Look at that. There it is. Meal number 2. English muffin, avocado, egg. Seriously, the best breakfast ever. That spicy mayo, the yogurt, makes everything a million times better. Round 2 done. Oh, that was so bomb. I love food. I'm not counting calories, but I will keep track of it in MyFitnessPal if that's something you guys are interested in. Comment below, let me know, and I'll just put it in the description box. And yeah, I'm gonna take a nap now for real, because you know when you get so hungry and all your energy is just going to, oh, my hair is all fucked up. All your energy is just going to trying to keep going, to just do the things. Well, now that I've eaten, I want to go to sleep. I'm so tired. Maybe I'll make coffee instead. The most loyal pup ever. Making sure mommy is okay.
Later.
This took me all of 5 minutes to make, just because the cucumbers, bell peppers were already prepped and cut up, and then super easy to cut up a tomato, spinach, throw on some cheese, and I love balsamic glaze. It's not the healthiest, but it tastes delicious with some feta. Ooh yeah. Dog needs to go out. Bring it. Alright guys, that is going to conclude today's video, full day of eating. Please leave a comment down below. I have also shared the calories and the breakdown for the day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.